Question number 2, part A. Write these numbers in order, so the smallest number written first. So the first thing we need to do, I'm going to list these out vertically, one beneath the other. So I've got 12,000, I've got 100,000, she's got 5 noughts on it in the question there, 2389, so I've got 4 digits there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 8, 9, and the last one I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, so I'm going to start in the 5th column along, 25, 4, 9, 0. Now I've written them vertically with the units, tens, hundreds, thousands and tens of thousands column, and that next one is the hundreds of thousands column. I can quite easily see which is the smallest number. The smallest number that's got 4 digits in it is 2389. The next largest is the one that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these two, that's got 1 in the 10,000s column, so 12,000. And I'm going to put the comma separator in there. We'll do on the first one as well, 2389, 12,000. Leaves me then with 25,490. So it's a good idea to show the comma separator because it gives me it's separated. I can see the sizes. That one being 2,000, 12,000, 25,000. This last one being 100,000. That has 6 digits. Okay, part B. Complete this sum. 43 plus what equals 100? Well, if I started at 43 and I had to get to 100 on a horizontal number line, if I jump forward 7 would take me to 50, and then if I jump from 50 to 100, that's another plus 50. So if I add these two together, 50 plus 7 is 57. Okay, if I check that, 100 take away 57, 100 take away 50 is 50, take away 7 gives me 43. Part C, part 1. In 2008, the average cost of a house was £218,112. Write 218,112 in figures. So 218,000, so I'm going to put a comma separator in, 112. 112. Okay, 218,112. That's written in figures. When it says figures, it means write it in numbers. C part 2. In 2008, the average cost of a terraced house was £173,858. Write 173,858 correct to the nearest 100. Well, the nearest 100 is the 8 digit because that's units, tens, hundreds is the 8 in the column. So to the nearest 100 it's either going to be 173,800 or 173,900. Now because it's 858, 58 is above 50, so this is the correct one, not that one, correct to round up to £173,900. And it just doesn't ask us to put the pound sign because it says write the number correct to the nearest 100. So 173,858 rounds up to 173,900. In 1967, and that is a comma separator there. In 1967, the average cost of a house was £4,077. Write 4,077 in words. So we've got 4,000 and 77. Okay, 4077 written with my thousand separator, comma separator there, is 4,077.